All right, everybody, this is Dr. Blumenthal with Natural Transplants. We are here in the Bethesda, Maryland office, and we have a patient who wants to remain anonymous, but I wanted to show you this scar, or almost lack thereof. We're about 10 days out. Most guys, one of their big concerns is, what is the scar going to look like afterwards? And this is, again, this is not a unusual example. This is a pretty typical example. You can see a very tiny little line. It's hard to see. In some parts it's a little easier to see. The fact that the hair in that area is gray, he hasn't had a chance to dye that yet, but once he does, and once the hair is even again, you're never going to see this line. So again, coming around the side here, and it's really difficult to see. Without the sutures being there, I wouldn't have been able to see it very easily. See a tiny little line right there coming across, and you kind of lose it after that, but you can see where it should be. Kind of hides in, but again, like I said, you're never going to see this. In 2 weeks, once the hair evens out and gets a chance to dye it. So like I said, this is pretty typical for us. You know, a lot of guys are concerned about and rightfully so, they see some bad scars out there. This is pretty typical for us here at Natural Transplants. All right.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.